There's a bird right there. I don't know if these are he's going to be sneaking up there to get some food. He's good. Oh, there's a little baby burrito. He's in there. He's eating inside his little house there, as you can see. Now he's down there. You know, that's his friend down there. They all want to eat his food in his house, but baby burrito, he ain't leaving nobody. He likes going inside his house and keeping warm, and Rosa just loves that little baby. Now he's way inside there eating. What's he doing way in there? I can't even see him no more. He's just hiding. He's guarding his place so nobody eats his food. We put food in there in the night. This is May 16th, 210. Oh, now this one over here is coming. Oh, baby burrito's out. He don't like this. He's getting rid of them. Now this bird down here, here's another two. They like his food up there, so they're gonna go eat it. My baby burrito's gonna come back, I think. They're checking it out. They don't know. They should go up there or not. They're eating some seeds down there in the garden. But that's his little house there. Where is he? Did he go? He should be back in a minute. Well, you got to see him in his house. That's he usually doesn't let me get that close to him to see it. But there's the garden there. He was born in this garden, and he never leaves it. Although there's no top on it, he can go anytime he wants to. Actually, I'll show you the garden. Watch all the birds as they take off here now. Here's the garden, and here's his little house. And now they're all taking off up there. And you can see the garden and the birds. And there's there's the sky. See, so it's oh, there's birds up there too. So this is his house. There's 4 birds here. 4 birds that were born in this garden. Actually, 3 of them are still alive. About 5 months, or the youngest, I think, 4 months old. The oldest, about 7 months old. And the other mother birds are still here too. And that. So we've had the garden for a number of years, but this year seems to be they're wanting to stay in it.